Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete a message on Slack. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on removing a message you posted in a channel or direct message using the Slack desktop app or a web browser. Deleting a message is straightforward, but there are a few small details to pay attention to so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening Slack and heading to the workspace where the message lives. Make sure you're in the right place. Channels are listed in the left sidebar along with your direct messages. If you have multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the correct one so you don't search in the wrong conversation. Keep in mind that some organizations limit who can delete messages, so you may only be able to delete messages you sent yourself. Next, go to your home view so you can easily see your channels and conversations. From there, select the channel or direct message thread that contains the message you want to remove. Give the conversation a moment to load, then scroll to locate the specific message. When you found it, move your mouse over the message to reveal the inline toolbar. Look for the three vertical dots, often labeled More Actions. Click those three dots to open the action menu for that message. This menu contains options like editing, pinning, saving, and more. Choose Delete Message. If you don't see the delete option, it typically means you don't have permission to delete that particular message, or your organization has set a policy that prevents deletions. After you select Delete Message, Slack will open a confirmation window. This is your chance to double-check you've selected the correct message. The dialog helps prevent accidental removals and may include a short preview of the text. Deletions in Slack are generally permanent, and once you confirm, the message will be removed from the conversation for everyone who has access to it, subject to your organization's retention settings. To finish, click Delete in the confirmation window. Slack will process the request and remove the message. If your workspace displays a small note indicating a deletion occurred, that's normal and depends on your organization's settings. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If delete isn't available, consider editing the message if that action is allowed. Also, message deletion policies and retention rules vary, so if something doesn't behave as expected, check with your workspace administrator or review your team's message retention settings. That's it. You've successfully deleted a message in Slack.